Okay, we're at the end. This is chapter number 13, lecture 13, and it's all about conclusions. And we're going to have a moment of reflection, I guess, in this chapter, and look back at the journey we've been on, and look at our notes, and maybe share some of those notes with your collaborators. I'm going to give you a few more tools for your toolkit, and a couple of process frameworks, one of which is called 4Ds, and the other one is called Make Lunch, Lunch, and hopefully they will help you move forward a little bit further and provide a few more questions to work with in your collaboration. I'll give you some final thoughts as well on some things that you really do need to discuss within your collaboration around distribution and the types of works that curators and producers might kind of be interested in. And audiences as well, let's not forget them. So anyway, thank you very much for sticking with me to chapter 13. In the next chapter I'm going to give you some more information.